Okay, this is one of your final Photopea tutorials. This is about the color replace tool. What the color replace tool does is it allows you to select a color, say the red portion of this shoe, and say anytime you see red, I want to swap it out for a different color. So first pick your color selection tool, and it's underneath your paintbrush tool. So if you select your paintbrush drop down menu, there's the color replace tool. Select that, and say you're going to be changing the red portion of the shoe. You want to select down on the red portion of the shoe and then go to your color palette at the bottom of the screen. Find the color that you'd like to change it to. Say okay, and then you can just start drawing on top of that red. Notice if I go out of bounds, like in the black, it's not going to color that portion green because I didn't select that color. So it's okay if you get a little sloppy because it's only going to stay within the bounds of that red color that you selected. And if you want to get more detailed with adding that color correction, you can come up to the paint tool and you can change the size of your brush. Or if you want to cover a bigger space area, you can make it larger. And again, you don't have to be so careful because what color correction tool tells it is only if it's red am I going to change that color. So see how my paintbrush is over the white areas, but they're not turning green because that's not part of my sample color. So this is how you would swap out one color for another in Photopea. Okay, keep it going, take your time, but know that it's allows you to get kind of a little bit sloppy and keeps you within the bounds of where you're supposed to be. Okay.